Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to find the solution or the issues you have on LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of LinkedIn. After that, in this page, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update. If it's not working, you can go to uninstall and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.